Enhance your Twitch streams with channel points. Setting up channel points on Twitch is essential for enhancing audience interaction in live streaming, especially during games. These rewards can unlock exclusive perks, request in-stream actions, or allow viewers to flex their points in chat. What are Twitch channel points? Twitch channel points are a customizable, point-based reward system that allows streamers to offer engaging ways for viewers to interact and participate. Earn points by watching streams, following the channel, or completing actions that support the streamer. They can be redeemed for various rewards, making viewers feel part of the action, and channel points provide the tools to create truly interactive experiences. Who can add channel points on Twitch? Only creators with Twitch affiliate or partner status can add channel points, unlocking additional interactive features for their viewers to enjoy during live streams. How to set up channel points on Twitch, step-by-step guide. Getting started with channel points is quick and easy. Log into your Twitch account and access your creator dashboard. From the left-hand navigation panel, select Viewer Rewards. Click Channel Points. Finally, flip the switch to enable channel points on Twitch. How to customize your channel points. Channel points become truly engaging when you customize rewards for your community. Go to your creator dashboard, click on Viewer Rewards, and select Manage Rewards and Challenges. Here, you can add custom rewards, modify default rewards, and manage what your viewers can do with their points. Embrace the potential of channel points to boost community interaction and keep your audience engaged. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.